Hello, Warriors. We're going to have a quick session on how to sign in to Pearson Access for MCA testing training. Uh, and so I'll send you the link. You go to this link, which brings you to this site right here, at which you sign in to Pearson, asks you for your username and password. If you've already signed in, you'll have that. Otherwise, you'll have to create something. On this screen, you're going to go down over here to the right where it says Resources and Training. You'll click that, and you come up to this lovely screen. Um, Again, go to Resources and Training. Click that. Click on Training. See how easy this is? Then you go to Training Management System, or TMS. Click on TMS, which brings you to this page. Now, from here, basically, everybody has to take this first 5-minute training here. If you are food service staff, you win because you don't have to do any of this, except for Margaret. Margaret, you do not win, and you have to do this one too, I think, because you probably have keys that allow you into rooms that may have testing stuff in it. So all custodians, paras, secretaries have to take this first one. These other two are just for the teachers. All teachers have to do active monitoring for statewide tests and preparing for online testing. That's basically it. You'll click launch, watch your little video, take the test at the end. If there is a test at the end, I don't know if there is. And just have fun because these are a lot of fun. All right, go Warriors.